For the recognition of static and gestures, the system is built over a supervised collecting process that uses this simple interface. It is able to store and manage both hands, and we have here some left-hand samples of stored postures. The posters are stored in XML files serialized with instances of the captured posters. As we can see here, the file contains the corresponding class properties for each instance. We have the name, width and height, time elapsed, which is not needed for static and pose recognition, the centroid that was not yet registered, but the file can later be resampled with some additional properties. We have all the pixels from which the posture is made of. As we can see here, is the resulting image. Now let's see how the collecting process works. We press the start button to have the Kinect switched on. When it is ready, we will have this start tracking button here, and as soon as the system detects the hand, we can start the posture saving process using the save button. Okay, now we have my left hand in the center of the image, and we can use these radio buttons here to move it to any of the four corners of the image. This way it will be pretty much easy for the recognition algorithms to make the necessary calculations. We can also click in the center to bring the hand back to the center of the image. When we find a posture for the learning process, we can store it and it will be appended to the posture list. We can also delete some noisy or unnecessary samples or rename them according to the gesture that was performed. There's also a scaling method. For some algorithms this feature is needed. As we've seen in those radio buttons, I created a method called move to corner. It receives some input parameters and it will give back a new hand translated posture that the system will store in the XML file. We also have a scaling method that can change the width and height values and give back the corresponding pixels in a resized posture instance. It gets some input parameters and returns the rebuilt posture.